Hi, welcome to Autobahn Vault. I'm your host, Twee Fan. Today I am delighted to show you this beautiful, award-winning 2008 Aston-Martin V8-Vantage Roadster. In this video, I'll proceed to describe to you why this Aston Martin's exceptionally low mileage, distinctive, and rare color combination, as well as its overall condition, make it possibly one of the nicest V8 Vantage of this era on the market today. With only 13,000 original miles on the odometer, this is the lowest mileage V8 Vantage Roadster on the market at the time of this video shoot. Speaking of factory finishes, the factory Merlot Red paint is 100% original. It retains its original gloss finishes as well, a direct result of a combination of low mileage, indoor storage, and lifelong careful ownership. No scratches or dents can be found anywhere on this vehicle. Accordingly, this Aston's Kestrel interior is devoid of any rips, tears, and shows hardly any wear at all, from its original floor mats all the way to its leather-covered seats and dashboard. The red soft top looks like the day it left the factory, and it performs flawlessly as well. Original wheels are fitted and virtually new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires and are free of any major imperfections. No scratches or dents can be found anywhere on this vehicle. While these virtues may cause the uninitiated to believe they are in the presence of a brand new Aston Martin, they will also earn you compliments from those around you, including car show awards that are included in the sale of this vehicle. The impeccable condition of this V8 Vantage goes deeper than its glossy and rich surfaces and finishes. Additionally, records show that this vehicle has a virtually new clutch. Thorough inspection, along with annual and biannual services, were performed in preparation for sale per manufacturer specifications. These services included new 10W60 motor oil and filter, including new washers, O-rings, filter cover plate bolts, and filter removal bolts, new cabin filters, new engine intake filters, RBF 600 brake fluid flush, and more. Beautiful and rare and has factory specifications, amazing cosmetic and mechanical condition, This car has remarkably low mileage and 100% original example, along with a flawless Carfax history, makes it arguably the most exquisite V8 Vantage Roadster of this vintage, and as such, it stands to retain its value and continue to appreciate as a solid yet fun investment in the years to come. For pricing, shipping quotes, or any information, give us a call at 239-204-7434 or visit our website at autobahn-vault.com.